So ladies and gentlemen, this rig out here is worth for 3,10,000 rupees. And with this rig, you can play any CPU intensive and GPU intensive games easily. For Warzone, you can get like 300 FPS, and for Valorant, you can get around 1200 FPS. Let's check out the specs now. Starting off with the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D CPU. Followed up with the motherboard, we have the Asus TUF Gaming X670E plus Wi-Fi motherboard. When we talk about the memory, it's the Kingston Memory Fury Beast 16 gigs of RAM at 6000 MHz. When we talk about the storage, it's the Samsung Evo 980 Pro M.2 NVMe 2TB SSD. When we talk about the case, it's the NZXT H9 Elite case. And when we talk about the graphics card, it's the Zotac GeForce RTX 4080 Super, which can chew up games in 4K resolution and spit out high frame rate. So अगर आपको भी ऐसा ही PC build चाहिए, so देर किस बात की? You can call us at +917080100206. This is Wire Prestige.